Changing your home's air filters is an easy and effective way to improve your air quality and help maintain your air conditioner. Start by locating your air filter, either in a wall, ceiling return vent, or inside your HVAC unit. Turn off the unit before replacing the filter, so dust doesn't blow through the system while you work. Open the return vent panel and take out the old filter. Insert your new filter with the arrows pointing in the direction of airflow toward the ductwork or blower, making sure it fits snugly without bending it. Close the filter slot or return grill, secure all latches, turn your HVAC system back on, and check that everything runs smoothly. Check your air filters every month, especially if your system runs constantly. Non-pleated filters should be changed every month, while pleated air filters can last up to 3 months. Set a reminder on your phone or start a subscription so you always have extra filters and your air stays clean year-round. Changing your air filter regularly is a small step that makes a big difference in your home's air quality. HVAC performance.